I left you with this problem at the end of the last video. Want to graph this linear inequality. I'm going to go ahead and get y by itself while it's still an inequality. Not absolutely necessary to do that. I'm also going to keep that fraction of 1/2. I'm just going to subtract over that 1/2 x. So we get 4y is greater than negative 1/2 x plus 8. These aren't like terms, so I can't combine them anyway. So really all I'm doing with that fraction is changing its sign and putting it on the other side. Okay. Then to get y by itself, I would divide by 4. Now here, I'm just going to make a note that dividing by 4 is the same as multiplying by 1/4. So where we have a fraction, we might choose to write that division as multiplication by 1/4. Where we don't have a fraction, where we just have 8, it's probably simpler to write that as division by 4. So we get y is greater than negative 1/8 x plus 2. Excellent. Our boundary line is y equals negative 1/8 x plus 2. That's a strict inequality, so it's going to be a dotted line. So we can come over here to graph this. Our y-intercept is 0, 2. Our slope is negative 1/8. So we can come down 1 over 8, and then we'll connect the dots with this dotted line. Again, that divides the plane up into two parts. What part do we want to shade? We want to shade where our y value is bigger than this, which is the y value on the line. Y values are bigger higher up, so we would shade above the line. So this is what your graph should look like. Totally fine if you used some other options for figuring that out. If you had used the origin as a test point, when you plug it in and say, is that true or false, you should have gotten false. The origin does not make the inequality true, so we did not shade that side. But however you got there, your boundary line should be this dotted line of slope negative 1/8 and y-intercept 0, 2, and you should have shaded above.